Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and today I want to talk about crypto.com CRO COIN. Take a look at Binance because Binance has just reached over 200 million users, and we're going to talk about that today. So let's hop into this video. So guys, over on Twitter, I went and posted Binance surpasses 200 million users. Crypto.com eagerly chasing right behind CROFAM. Soon we will see exchanges with over 1 billion users. This is an interesting time, you know. We like to talk about how we're early and how we're not early, and there's this kind of wavering of back and forth if we actually are early or not. And in my opinion, I do think we're early, guys, but it is quite interesting when you start to think about the vast numbers. I mean, 200 million users is nothing to scoff at when it comes to people using an exchange, using tools inside of an industry. So there's at least 200 million users that are using crypto if they're using Binance. And I wanted to talk today about crypto.com versus Binance and where I think we're headed here, because there are some interesting things in the charts that we should be looking at. Some things you're not going to really like, but I'm going to be just honest and transparent and tell you what I think. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. First, I want to talk about the overall market right now, because right now Bitcoin is trading at $69,374. We basically got a little bit of a bounce since yesterday, but we did have a little bit of a flash crash, didn't we, guys? We came down to 69,000 off of about $72,000. And we are bouncing a little bit. I was doing a little bit of knife catching trading. I bought some really big wicks, made some money over on Femex. If you guys do want to trade on Femex with me, there's an awesome bonus we have right now. We have a $4,100 sign-up bonus. You just have to go below this video, click this link, get $4,100 in free sign-up bonuses. There's always opportunities to trade, and if you want to trade along with me, I'm going to be doing a lot more of that on this channel. I'm going to show you guys my entries, my exits, and just some profit and loss that I do using leverage. But back to the crypto market. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 69,000. We saw that flash crash down, but Binance, guys, Binance breaking an all-time high the other day. Pretty incredible to see that. And it doesn't feel that good for the CROFAM and the Cronos community when you see Binance breaking new all-time highs and CROCoin is struggling. Let's be honest. I want to show you some charts here shortly that are quite alarming. Especially, look how strong Binance is. It's very, very strong. It's very, very strong. It's absolutely incredible. And I'm going to give you my opinion on why I think that Binance is doing so well. It's, some people will say like, oh, Binance is doing, this is copium, but that people usually like to say is, oh, Binance is doing so well because they broke the law. Well, guys, whether they broke the law or not really comes down to who's viewing what they did. Is it like there's not even clear regulations in the crypto market right now, and we really don't know for a fact. It's all a gray area. It's all gray area. And CZ from Binance, he took the hit. He's in jail right now. I think for like 4 months. Nothing ridiculous. He paid like $4 billion. He's in jail for 4 months. And then he's going to get out. But he had to step down as CEO. And their coin is doing very, very well, guys. It's doing very, very well. It's at a new all-time high. It broke above, let me see, I believe it was $700. Yeah, $730. That's incredible. And you go over and you look at CROCoin, and man, guys, I'm a CROCoin bull. Somebody asked in a comment section on my video last night if I hold any CROCoin. Guys, if you've been around here, obviously I hold CROCoin. I've been in here since the MCO days. I've been holding Crow. That went before I owned MCO, and they transferred it to CROCoin. I've been accumulating ever since. I've been collecting the interest on it. I've staked it. I've explored the Cronos ecosystem. I've gotten the rose gold Visa card. I've used all their things. I've used crypto.com. I've been in and out of their company and ecosystem. Yes, I still hold Crow. I have a large amount. And yes, I do also have Cronos memes. I'm trading those around to hopefully grow my CRO coin bag. I still believe in CRO, but I will say that I do have a little bit of worries. I do. And I have to be honest. I'm not trying to FUD anybody's bags or anything like that. I'm not trying to spook you to sell. It's your money. Do whatever you want with it. It's not financial advice at all, but I'm just telling you guys my honest opinion on what I think about this. Cronos and crypto.com, they don't really promote their coin that well. I don't think they try to. I think that they kind of step away from it. I think that they are worried of regulatory scrutiny. And who knows, guys? Who knows? Maybe here in the next year or so, we'll get more clear regulation. Time will tell. But maybe then we'll start to see them actually promote CRO coin. But Binance doesn't care. They've been promoting BNB coin all day, every day throughout Binance. And I've only used Binance here and there before it was banned in the US. But it's a nice exchange. It's a nice exchange. But I like crypto.com. And crypto.com doesn't have an exchange in the US, but Binance did for a little while. Not anymore. But all I'm saying is that crypto.com is a little bit more careful and precise when it comes to CRO coin. And I'll say this, I'm going to throw it out there. It's probably going to upset a lot of people, but they almost, in my mind, seems like they want to distance themselves from CRO coin, which is not a good thing. I don't like it. I don't like that they try to distance themselves from CRO coin, the Cronos labs. I don't like that, but I really do think that it's all because of regulation, and they're worried about the hammer coming down. I mean, that's what you get when you have a crypto exchange that has the most licenses in the world, is the most regulatory compliant. You're going to see some of that. They're scared of regulation coming down on them, and rightfully so. The regulation is such a gray area, guys. There's dangers for operating in this market because there's regulatory uncertainty. And it's silly that it's that way, but that's a whole nother video. But it's just interesting when we're talking about CRO coin versus BNB and crypto.com versus Binance, and the differences I'm seeing in the two big players. Because, I would say the three big players right now are Binance, Coinbase, crypto.com. Crypto.com has broken 100 million users. Binance, 200 million users as of today. Very interesting to see, but I know that crypto.com is going to be chasing that goal of 1 billion users, and that will happen with mass adoption, and we're starting to see that happen. We are still early, guys. Just because we have 200 million people using Binance doesn't mean that, we're at mass adoption. No, it's an indication that there's early adopters, that's for sure, and we have not reached that S-curve of adoption for mass adoption where everyone is using crypto like everybody uses the internet, but that time will come. I still believe we're early. Back when Crypto Kip and I were at Consensus, the crypto conference, it would really put it into perspective of where we're at here with this crypto space and how much further this is going to go. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, is the king that decides whether or not CRO coin goes up or down and whether or not Binance goes up or down. So right now we are seeing, yesterday people were panicking, freaking out. We're seeing a little bit of curvature to the upside, but guys, we're consolidating. We're still consolidating. I don't know why everyone was freaking out so much. Unless we come below $64,000, there's nothing to worry about here, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but that's just my opinion. Getting daily candle closures, weekly candle closures above, say, $67,000, we're just chopping around and setting up for a next leg up, really. And the longer we trade sideways here, the bigger the move's going to be to the upside, guys. Remember that. The longer we trade sideways here, the bigger the move to the upside will be. If we just make this move to the upside sooner than later, it's probably going to cut this bull market short. I've been talking about that. We need to be paying attention to that. But guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also, like I said, I have a fantastic Affiliate link down below for Femex. Get up to $4,100 in bonuses. All you gotta do is click the link down below. You can short, long the market. I've been trading some Pepe memes. It's been a lot of fun. Some meme coins over on Femex. I did a little tutorial video on that as well. If you want to do copy trading, which is if leverage trading is a little bit over your head, you can learn from other people that are trading, and you can decide to copy their trades. It's pretty interesting. But leverage trade at your own risk, guys. It can be very risky. Also, I want to finish this video off by saying I did break 300 followers on Instagram, and I will give away $300 to one of you guys that follows me. Let's say by Sunday. On Sunday, I'll pick a winner, so I'll give you a little bit more time to follow me. So on Monday, I will announce the winner. So go follow me, 333 Blacksea on Instagram. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.